Interrupted with the vstandard-lib S64 DLL blocking valve Steam workflow? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. While preparing the manual steps for vstandard-lib SE64, check the description for a tool that assists with background library management. This is the vstandard-lib S64, the 64-bit Valve standard library. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of high-performance gaming data links, facilitating the visual and logic manifests for modern source titles. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. vstandard-lib S164 is a key part of the Valve Steam runtime file set. A clean reinstall of the latest version of Valve Steam will repair any missing or corrupted components without affecting your other Windows settings. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with vstandard-lib S64. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Warning: vstandard-lib S64. DLL missing error is often a symptom of a larger issue that a simple manual download will never be able to fully resolve. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. If missing library references are a concern, the suggested resource below provides general system maintenance information. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time you encounter vstandard-lib S64 critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.